Hello, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring how to use AI to scale your business, leveraging smart automation, data driven insights, and cutting edge tools to streamline operations and drive growth. If you're looking to work smarter, not harder, this is for you. 1. Automating customer support. AI powered chatbots like ChatGPT, Drift, and Zendesk AI can handle customer inquiries, provide instant responses, and free up your team for more complex issues. 2. Enhancing marketing with AI. Tools like Jasper AI, Copy.ai, and HubSpot AI generate high converting ad copy, email campaigns, and social media posts to help you attract and engage customers. 3. Personalizing customer experiences. AI driven platforms like Segment and Dynamic Yield analyze customer behavior and deliver personalized recommendations, boosting engagement and sales. 4. Optimizing business operations. AI-powered automation tools like Zapier, UiPath, and Microsoft Power Automate streamline repetitive tasks from data entry to invoice processing, saving time and reducing errors. 5. AI for smarter hiring. Recruitment tools like HireVue and Pymetrics use AI to screen resumes, assess candidates, and match the best talent for your business. 6. AI-powered analytics. Platforms like Tableau, Google Analytics, and Looker provide deep insights into business performance, helping you make data-driven decisions. 7. Scaling e-commerce with AI. For online sellers, AI tools like Shopify AI, Helium 10, and Feedonomics optimize product listings, automate inventory management, and improve customer retention. 8. AI for financial management. AI-driven finance tools like QuickBooks AI, Xero, and Ramp automate bookkeeping, track expenses, and generate financial forecasts to keep your business on track. 9. AI-generated content creation. From blog posts to video scripts, tools like WriteSonic and Synthesia help businesses produce high-quality content quickly and efficiently. 10. AI for smarter decision-making. AI-powered business intelligence platforms like IBM Watson and Salesforce Einstein analyze trends and suggest strategic actions to help you scale effectively. By integrating AI into your business, you can work more efficiently, increase revenue, and stay ahead of the competition. What AI tools are you using? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more business growth tips. See you in the next one.